Success begins with a dream, a vision of a better future. However, dreams alone are not enough. To transform them into reality, one must set clear goals. Goal setting provides direction, acting as a roadmap guiding you toward your destination. Without specific objectives, even the strongest motivation can wane. Therefore, the first step to success is defining your goals with precision and clarity. Dream big, but ensure those dreams are anchored by actionable steps. Motivation is the fuel that propels us forward on our journey. However, it's important to remember that motivation alone is fleeting. To sustain it, you need self-discipline. While motivation gets you started, self-discipline keeps you going when obstacles arise. Each day brings challenges, and it's your self-discipline that will push you through difficult moments, ensuring that you stay on track toward your achievement. Success demands consistency over time. Achieving success is not a one-time event. It's a culmination of small victories. Every step you take towards your goal counts. Perseverance is key. There will be moments when giving up seems easier, but those who persevere learn valuable lessons from failure and come out stronger. Overcoming obstacles builds resilience. Challenges test your determination, but they also sharpen your skills, ensuring that when success comes, you're truly prepared for it. To dream big is to aim for something greater than yourself, but dreams require action to become real. Self-improvement should be a constant pursuit. As you grow personally, you also develop the skills and mindset needed to handle bigger challenges. Personal growth is not just about learning new things, but also about unlearning old habits that no longer serve you. A growth mindset, one that embraces learning and change, is essential on this journey. Mindset is everything. How you think about challenges, setbacks, and opportunities determines how you approach them. A positive mindset fosters hope and possibility. When faced with adversity, a strong mindset helps you see solutions instead of problems. Overcoming obstacles is about reframing challenges into opportunities for growth. The way you perceive the journey impacts your progress. Success isn't just about achieving, it's about evolving. Focus is one of the most powerful tools in achieving success. With so many distractions, maintaining focus on your goals is critical. The clearer your vision, the more you will achieve. Vision is what keeps you aligned with your dreams, even when the path gets tough. By staying focused on your vision, you're less likely to be swayed by short-term distractions. Your success hinges on your ability to keep your eyes on the prize, no matter what. Personal growth goes hand in hand with success. The journey toward achievement is not just about reaching the end goal, but also about who you become in the process. Every challenge you face contributes to your personal development. Growth is continuous, and every success adds a new layer of skills, wisdom, and experience. Through self-improvement, you cultivate the strength to overcome new challenges and move closer to your dreams. Action steps are the bridge between dreams and reality. While it's important to dream big, taking consistent action steps is what turns those dreams into achievements. Each day presents an opportunity to make progress, however small. These steps, when taken consistently, lead to success. Success is built on the cumulative effect of daily actions. The power of action cannot be overstated. Without action, even the best plans remain unfulfilled. Time management plays a crucial role in success. How you allocate your time reflects your priorities. Those who manage their time effectively are able to accomplish more and make steady progress toward their goals. Time is one of the most valuable resources you have, and learning to use it wisely is essential. Prioritize tasks that align with your vision and goals, and you will find that you make steady progress. Success is a result of well-managed time. Vision is the compass that directs all your actions. When you have a clear vision, every decision you make moves you closer to your goals. This clarity allows you to filter out distractions and focus on what truly matters. Vision gives purpose to your efforts, ensuring that each step you take is meaningful. Without a vision, it's easy to get lost in the daily grind. However, with a strong vision, every day becomes a step closer to your dreams. Success is not about luck, but about preparation and perseverance. Those who achieve success have often spent years honing their skills, setting goals, and working tirelessly toward their dreams. Luck may play a role, but it's the relentless pursuit of a vision coupled with determination and hard work. that truly leads to success. By preparing yourself and staying committed, you set the foundation for long-term achievement. Every day is an opportunity to get closer to success. With each action step, no matter how small, you are moving toward your goals. Achievements are not built in a day, but through consistent effort over time. By focusing on your daily actions, you begin to see the bigger picture. Success is a process of building step by step until the results start to manifest. Stay consistent and trust the process. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of success. Without it, motivation fades and goals become harder to reach. Self-discipline means doing what is necessary, even when you don't feel like it. It's about creating habits that align with your vision, knowing that every disciplined action brings you closer to success. Those who master self-discipline are better equipped to handle setbacks and stay focused on their long-term goals. The power of perseverance cannot be overstated. In the face of setbacks and failures, perseverance keeps you moving forward. Many of the most successful individuals have experienced failure multiple times before achieving their dreams. Each failure brings you one step closer to success by teaching you valuable lessons. When you refuse to give up, you turn obstacles into stepping stones, transforming challenges into opportunities. Personal growth is the engine that drives success. As you learn and evolve, you become better equipped to handle challenges and seize opportunities. Self-improvement should be an ongoing process, fueled by a desire to reach your full potential. Those who prioritize personal development continuously push their limits, expanding their capacity for achievement. Success is as much about who you become as what you achieve. The right mindset creates the foundation for success. A growth mindset embraces challenges, views failures as learning opportunities, and believes in the ability to improve. With a positive mindset, you are more likely to take risks, learn from mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Cultivating a mindset of resilience and optimism will empower you to navigate the inevitable ups and downs of the journey to success. Focus is your superpower. In a world full of distractions, the ability to focus on your goals is a rare and valuable skill. By eliminating distractions and concentrating on what truly matters, you can accelerate your progress toward success. Those who achieve greatness are often those who are able to maintain laser-sharp focus on their vision, cutting through the noise to stay aligned with their goals. Success is built on daily habits. The small actions you take every day compound over time, leading to significant results. Cultivating habits that align with your goals ensures that you're consistently making progress, even when the results aren't immediately visible. By focusing on positive, productive habits, you create a foundation for long-term success. Habits are the building blocks of achievement. Time is a finite resource, and how you use it will determine your success. Effective time management allows you to prioritize your tasks, ensuring that you're focusing on what truly matters. Those who master time management are able to accomplish more in less time, moving closer to their goals with each passing day. The key to success lies in how well you can allocate your time to high-value tasks that drive results. Vision is the light that guides you through difficult times. When the journey gets tough, it's your vision that keeps you moving forward. A clear vision not only gives you direction, but also provides the motivation to keep going when things get hard. By keeping your vision at the forefront of your mind, you stay connected to your goals and maintain the determination needed to overcome obstacles. Success requires planning, but it also requires flexibility. While it's important to have a roadmap, you must also be adaptable in the face of changing circumstances. Life often throws unexpected challenges your way, and the ability to adjust your plans while maintaining your focus on the end goal is crucial. Flexibility allows you to navigate obstacles without losing sight of your vision. Perseverance is not just about enduring, it's about learning and adapting. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to refine your strategy and improve your skills. By approaching setbacks with a mindset of growth, you turn obstacles into learning experiences. Those who persevere not only reach their goals, but also emerge stronger and more capable, ready to tackle even bigger challenges in the future. Personal growth is the secret to long-term success. As you grow and evolve, your capacity for achievement expands. By constantly seeking ways to improve yourself, you unlock new levels of potential and open the door to greater opportunities. Those who commit to lifelong learning and self-improvement are better equipped to navigate the challenges of success and sustain their achievements over time. Success is a balance of patience and action. While it's important to take action steps every day, it's equally important to be patient with the process. Success doesn't happen overnight, and those who understand this are more likely to stay the course. Patience allows you to trust the process, knowing that consistent action over time will eventually lead to the results you're seeking. Motivation may get you started, but self-discipline keeps you going. When the initial excitement fades, self-discipline is what ensures you continue taking action toward your goals. By building habits of self-discipline, you create a structure that supports your long-term success. Those who master self-discipline are able to maintain steady progress, even when motivation is low. The journey to success is rarely a straight line. There will be detours, setbacks, and moments of doubt. However, it's how you respond to these challenges that defines your success. By maintaining a growth mindset and viewing obstacles as opportunities, you stay resilient in the face of adversity. Success is not about avoiding challenges, but about learning how to navigate them effectively. Focus is a skill that can be developed. In today's fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. However, those who are able to cultivate focus are better positioned to achieve their goals. By learning to concentrate on one task at a time, you increase your efficiency and make significant progress. Focused effort over time leads to extraordinary results. Every successful person has faced setbacks. What sets them apart is their ability to persevere in the face of adversity. Perseverance is not just about pushing through. It's about learning from failure, adapting your approach, and continuing to move forward. The most successful individuals are those who have failed the most, but learned the greatest lessons from their experiences. Vision is the ultimate motivator. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, every action you take becomes meaningful. Vision gives purpose to your efforts, ensuring that you stay motivated even when the going gets tough. A strong vision keeps you connected to your goals and provides the inspiration needed to keep pushing forward. Success is not an event, but a process. It's the accumulation of daily actions, small wins, and consistent effort over time. Those who understand this process are more likely to stay the course and achieve their goals. By focusing on the journey and celebrating small victories along the way, you build the momentum needed to reach your destination. Personal growth should be a lifelong pursuit. Success is not just about achieving a specific goal, but about continually evolving and improving. As you grow, your goals expand, and new opportunities present themselves. Those who prioritize personal development are better equipped to handle the challenges that come with success and sustain their achievements over time. Motivation can be fleeting, but habits are enduring. By building habits that align with your goals, you ensure that you're consistently making progress, even when motivation is low. Habits create a structure that supports your success, allowing you to stay on track even when the journey gets tough. Successful people prioritize building positive habits that lead to long-term results. Time management is about more than just being busy. It's about being productive. By focusing on high-value tasks that move you closer to your goals, you maximize the impact of your efforts. Those who manage their time effectively are able to accomplish more in less time, leaving room for personal growth and relaxation. Time is a precious resource. Use it wisely. Success requires a long-term vision and the ability to focus on the present. While it's important to have a clear vision of your future, it's equally important to take action in the present moment. Success is built on daily actions, and by focusing on what you can do today, you move closer to your long-term goals. A balance of vision and action is key to achieving success. Perseverance is the engine that drives success. It's what keeps you going when the road gets tough and the challenges seem insurmountable. Those who persevere are not only more likely to achieve their goals, but also more likely to grow and evolve along the way. Perseverance builds resilience, and resilience is a key ingredient in the recipe for success. Personal growth is about more than just achieving success. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. By constantly seeking ways to improve, you expand your capacity for achievement. Those who commit to personal growth are better equipped to handle the challenges that come with success and sustain their achievements over time. Success is a journey of self-discovery and continuous improvement. Self-discipline is the foundation of long-term success. Without it, even the best intentions can fall short. Self-discipline means staying focused on your goals, even when distractions arise. By building habits of discipline, you create a structure that supports your success and ensures that you're consistently making progress. Those who master self-discipline are better positioned to achieve their dreams. The journey to success is full of obstacles, but it's how you handle them that determines your outcome. By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, you stay resilient in the face of adversity. Success is not about avoiding obstacles, but about learning how to overcome them. With perseverance, focus, and a growth mindset, you can navigate any challenge that comes your way. Focus is the key to achieving extraordinary results. In a world full of distractions, the ability to concentrate on your goals is a valuable skill. Those who can maintain focus, even in the face of challenges, are more likely to achieve success. By cutting through the noise and staying aligned with your vision, you create the momentum needed to reach your goals. Success is not a destination but a journey. Along the way, you will face challenges, learn valuable lessons, and grow as a person. The key to achieving success is to stay focused, persevere through obstacles, and continue taking action every day. By embracing the process and trusting in your ability to overcome challenges, you can turn any dream into reality. One of the most important aspects of achieving success is maintaining a balance between ambition and gratitude. While it's crucial to dream big and push toward your goals, it's equally important to appreciate the progress you've already made. Gratitude fosters a positive mindset, helping you stay grounded and motivated. Those who practice gratitude find it easier to maintain the enthusiasm needed to pursue their dreams while celebrating the small victories along the way. Surrounding yourself with the right support system is another key to success. No one achieves greatness alone. By connecting with people who share your vision, or those who encourage and uplift you, you create an environment where growth and success can thrive. Mentors, friends, and peers who challenge you to improve will help you stay focused on your goals. Building a strong network of support can be a game changer in your journey toward achievement. Ultimately, success is a reflection of the commitment you make to your vision. It's about showing up every day, ready to take action, even when the road is difficult. When you remain dedicated to your goals, trusting the process, and believing in your ability to overcome obstacles, success becomes inevitable. The power to achieve lies within you, and by staying focused, disciplined, and resilient, you transform not only your dreams, but also yourself.